In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through HubSpot to access and manage your brand kit logos and favicons. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to get to the settings you need. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by visiting the user guide on HubSpot. This is your entry point. So, open up your web browser and head to the HubSpot user guide link. This guide acts as your control center, providing you with all the necessary tools and resources to optimize your HubSpot experience. It's your one-stop shop for navigating everything related to your account. Once you're on the user guide page, your next step is to locate and click on the settings option. Usually the settings icon is found in the upper right corner of the screen. It looks like a small gear, a universal symbol for settings across most platforms. Clicking it will open a menu that grants you access to various configurations within your HubSpot account. Now that you're in the settings menu, look for the option labeled Account Defaults and click on it. This section allows you to adjust and tailor the default settings of your HubSpot account. It's where you have control over basic account customizations, so you can tweak these to better suit your business needs. Next, within Account Defaults, you'll want to find and select Branding. The branding section is crucial for maintaining consistency in how your business is presented digitally. This is where you'll manage the visual elements that represent your brand, such as logos and colors, to ensure they align with your company's identity across all touchpoints. In the branding section, you have two main options to explore further: logos and favicons. First, click on Logos. This will direct you to a page where you can upload and manage your company's logos. Logos are vital because they are often the first impression potential customers have of your brand. Ensure your logo is updated, clear, and professionally designed to convey the right message about your business. After you've configured your logos, move on to the next section. Favicons. Click on Favicons to access this area. Favicons are those tiny icons that appear on browser tabs, bookmarks, and the address bar. Small but mighty in reinforcing your brand's image. Here you can upload or change the favicon, keeping it consistent with your overall brand aesthetic. And that's it! You've successfully navigated through HubSpot to access and manage your brand kit logos and favicons. Following these steps ensures your branding is consistent and professional, making your brand recognizable at every digital touchpoint. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful HubSpot tips and tutorials.